In this video I'm going to show you guys the best way to hide photos on iPhone without using an app. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, open your settings and we're going to set up a passcode for Notes. So scroll down till you see Notes, click on Notes, then click on Password and just do an actual password. I'm just gonna do a simple one for the video. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Then click done. It says a hint is strongly recommended, but you don't have to, so just click on done again. And now you've set up your password. Go to your gallery and select how many photos you want. I'm just gonna select these 3. Click on the share button at the bottom left corner and click on copy photos right here. Now the photos have been copied. Then go to your notes, make a new note right here and paste these pictures in right here. Click on done. And as you can see, you've pasted the pictures in your notes. Then your pictures are still visible. So what you want to do, swipe that new note to the left and click on the lock icon right here and fill in the passcode 1, 2, 3. Click on OK and then click on OK again, so it's easier for you to unlock. And then your pictures are locked, and to check them, of course, and then reopen the app, go to Notes. Now they are locked, as you can see. Just click on it and then unlock it at the top right corner, Face ID, and you can see them. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.